Hey there, welcome to Mr. Magic. So today in this video we are going to learn how to add some natural bokeh in the background of any photos. So for this editing you will have to download some natural bokeh background from Google. So now open Snapseed and select the photo you want to change the background, and then from tools select double exposure and then select the photo you want to keep in the background, and then increase the opticality level to +100 and then click on the tick mark. And now from the above layer option click on view edits and then click on double exposure and select the brush icon and remove the background from the model carefully. While doing this, you can zoom in the picture for proper masking, and you can also increase and decrease the filter strength with the arrow marks. So the background has been completely changed, but there are a lot of options in the tools, so you can use them to decorate this photo more. Like I am using the HDR scape and the portrait effect.
Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
So it's done for today. So see you again tomorrow in my next video.